Welcome back to Revolution, where the road meets innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ram ProMaster Coachmen Beyond, a cutting-edge Class B camper van that blends luxury, versatility, and technology into a rolling sanctuary. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time nomad, the Beyond is designed to take you further, comfortably and confidently. Let's begin with the foundation, the 2026 Ram ProMaster chassis. Powered by a refined 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this van delivers a smooth, responsive ride. With 276 horsepower and front-wheel drive, the ProMaster ensures excellent handling in all conditions, from winding mountain passes to narrow city streets. Its tight 36-foot turning diameter adds to its agility, perfect for urban camping or remote getaways. Step outside and admire the sleek exterior. The Beyond features a fiberglass running board with an integrated step, tinted frameless windows, and a Thule power awning with LED lighting, making outdoor relaxation effortless. The rugged aluminum wheels, heated power side mirrors, and exterior shower round out a build designed for both style and substance. Now, step inside, where the Coachmen Beyond truly earns its name. The interior is a masterclass in space efficiency and luxury. Built with high-quality maple cabinetry, soft close doors, and solid surface countertops, every inch of this van radiates craftsmanship. With a choice of 2 floor plans, the rear lounge or power sofa layout, you get flexibility based on your lifestyle. The rear power sofa converts into a queen-size bed, and there's ample storage above and below. The Galley is compact yet fully functional, featuring a Nova Cool 7.3 cubic foot compressor refrigerator, a dual-burner LP cooktop, a convection microwave, and a deep stainless steel sink. Whether it's morning coffee or a full dinner, this van has you covered. Plus, the water purification system ensures fresh, clean drinking water wherever you roam. Moving to the bathroom, the Beyond includes a fully enclosed wet bath with a shower, cassette toilet, and a power roof vent. Everything is designed to maximize space and comfort, even on the go. Climate control is a strong point, too. A 13,500 BTU Coleman Mach air conditioner paired with a Truma Combi Eco Plus furnace and water heater system provides efficient heating and cooling. Whether it's a desert summer or a mountain winter, the Beyond is built to handle it all. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the fully integrated Firefly multiplex system, allowing you to control lighting, tank levels, generator, and more via touchscreen or smartphone. The Wi-Fi Ranger SkyPro with LTE capabilities keeps you connected no matter how far off-grid you go. For entertainment, a 24-inch LED TV with an HD digital antenna and optional satellite connectivity ensures you never miss a moment. One of the most impressive features is its lithium-ion battery system with a 3000W inverter and solar panels. Combined with shore power and generator options, this energy setup supports extended off-grid stays without compromising convenience. You can run your AC, cook, and charge your devices effortlessly, even while boondocking. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Ram ProMaster chassis comes equipped with forward collision warning, crosswind assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring peace of mind behind the wheel. With an overall length of 22 feet, a height of 9 feet 11 inches, and a GVWR of 9,350 pounds, the Beyond is both maneuverable and durable. The fresh water tank holds 27 gallons, gray water 15 gallons, and the cassette toilet holds 5 gallons, enough for extended travel without constant refills or dumping. In summary, the 2026 Coachmen Beyond on the Ram ProMaster platform is more than a camper van. It's a statement of freedom, engineering, and thoughtful design. Whether you're traveling solo or with a partner, this van gives you the flexibility to explore without limits. Thanks for tuning into Revolution. If you love high-end campers, overland rigs, and mobile innovation, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Until next time. Keep your wheels turning and your adventure alive.